Hello, good morning. Hey, good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Good morning, Carrie. Good morning, Guruan. Good morning, Les. Good morning, Five Handles. Good morning, Lina. How are you guys doing? Can you hear my voice? Good morning, Lauren. Good morning, Gabriel. Yeah, I feel better, I guess. Alright. So just bear in mind, today we got bank holiday, French bank holiday, also German bank holiday today. So London session we may get less liquidity, like thinner liquidity than usual. And also we just got the British UK GDP announced at 2 a.m. Eastern time. I'm trying to get healthier these days, so I won't miss the live stream all the time. I'm trying to be consistent on live streaming. Good morning, good morning. We got, let me see, so here. Today, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, we got a high impact news, which is nothing, to be honest. I mean, compared to CPI and PPI, this is nothing. I assume there won't be any volatility for this high impact news. Well, these two bank holiday probably got bigger influence on the price. Also, we got new all-time high, right? Again, every day, almost every day. Man, again. Surprise dip into this daily average with a long wick. Go up again. Yesterday we make a new all-time high. I like how the price respect the midnight opening price and also the end dot. You can see that it's to the tick, like literally to the tick, right? This wick touched the midnight opening price. Also, the candle body close inside of the end dot and then go up again. Maybe we're gonna head to another new all-time high in this session. Also, yes is about to all-time high. You know this 145 candlestick, I was curious, like what happened with this 145 candlestick? To be honest, I'm not so sure if we should trade today for London session because we got French and German bank holiday. But let's see, you know. Maybe we can get some setup, who knows. Good morning, chat. I always see you guys like those familiar names every day. Wow. Let's take a look on the vote for bias for London session. 60% bullish, 30% bearish, and 8% neutral. That 8% should be me because every time I vote neutral because I don't want to like influence the chat, influence the vote. So I always vote for neutral. Well, we are obviously bullish. Oh, we just got a new all-time high for ES. So right now we got a SMT with NQ and ES. Yes, use session as for him. I think so too. But since I skipped yesterday London session stream, so I was thinking like maybe we should just tape reading at least if we didn't get any setup. Six sister again. Also, Apex got 90% off again. Crazy. I don't know why they keep on getting 90% off right now. Is it become a regular thing? Because, man, I wish I got this 90% off all the time. But this time, they only got 5 days, like 6 days, right? Including today. Did they change the price or anything? Let me take a look. Still the same, I guess, right? I think they increased the activation fee a little bit, right? Last time, it's when I take a look, it's not 99. I think they increased a little bit. So, if anyone wants to grab some revels for 90% off, remember to do it within these 6 days. Because I really don't know if they're gonna change it to 80% off next time or what. I feel like they just gonna want to maintain the 90% off promotion but increase the price in activation fee. Yes, last time the activation fee what is less, right? Last time they got a special offer. So it's not like they increased the price, but it's like they got a special offer last time. So this time they don't have that special offer anymore. So it's back to normal price. Do you have anything for CFDs for us? No. I don't chase CFD anymore. I used to chase it all the time. You know, I got reached out from a lot of CFD platforms and CFD brokers. I always reject them. I mean, unless you can trade futures in your countries, because I know there's some restricted countries for trading, like with CME futures. So if that's not your case, you should just stick with futures. And of course, if that's because of the tax reason, as I know, like some countries, if you use spread betting, you'll get better tax efficiency compared to futures. So that's another case too. I know, UK got no tax on spread betting. But if you're a full-time trader, you still have to pay tax, isn't it? You like you need to have a job, a full-time job to become tax efficiency. What's your favorite prop firm? I thought all of you know it already, isn't it? My favorite would be this one. Take profit trader, as always, because of the daily payouts, and they don't get payout caps for that. And also, what I like about it is like you can only activate 10 funded accounts per month. So, for example, you blow up 10 funded accounts this month, and then you can still get yourself some backup for evals, but you can activate one more funded account unless you like reset your funded account. But no one will do that because resetting those funded accounts is fucking expensive. It's not worth it. So you won't get tilted with them because you can activate your funded account. So there's just no meanings for buying more accounts on that. Traded those suckers yesterday. Alright, we just reached the projection, the +1 projection of mid opening price. I was using this indicator. Well, right now we are in premium of slightly premium of the Asia range. I think slightly premium to middle. Anyone has right now got a position on NQ or ES? How long did it take you to get past the intraday trailing drawdown after passing? 1 day. But you know, this is like my trading approach. I always go aggressive on port firm because after my asset allocation, port firm, the money that I spend on port firm is for high risk, like trading, investing. I got other asset on no risk investment or completely zero risk. So port firm for me is a high risk investment, which I would go aggressive with it. But if you're not like me, you know, like you still not yet become consistently profitable, or you don't have asset allocation for other level of risk, you probably shouldn't go too aggressive. Of course, I go full port. I mean, you have to take advantage of the leverage if you use port firm. I mean, if you want to go aggressive. But the problem is like many people they don't know the math. They don't know how to calculate it. You know, when your profit is significantly larger than the cost you spend on port firms, you're fucking profitable. But you know, a lot of people don't understand that. They think, oh, I need to trade one micro, one step at a time, you know, do it slowly, then you better wish you're American or British, because a lot of countries got restricted from prop firms. Even in Hong Kong, right? Hong Kong back in the days, they got restricted by a lot of prop firms. Right now, still multiple prop firms restricted Hong Kong. Also UAE. So if you're not from like the UK or US, you gotta understand, you can't trade prop firm forever. Just one day, suddenly you can't trade with them anymore. Because it's happened to me, so I know I have to like try to make more money in a short period of time with prop firms and put those money on other assets. It can be personal account for trading or other investment, whatever it is. Like you have to run the whole trading thing as a business, not just trading, not just that simple. But you know, not everyone understand that. They still too stubborn on, you know, how many accounts you blow up, like how many payout you get 1 month. Bro, like we're not trading for 1 month or 1 week. It's a lifetime thing. How much is Apex evaluation 50K with 90% off? I think it's $30, right? Let me take a look. Well, you get intraday trailing and EOD trailing, so it depends which one you choose. The price will be slightly different, I guess. For EOD, it will be 39.9. For intraday, it's 29.9. But if you're like more familiar with EOD and it's just $10, the difference is just $10, you should just go with EOD. Well, of course they got different price for the activation fee too, so you need to keep an eye on that. All right, someone is in short position right now. Where are you shorting from? Here? Here? TPT has the main dashboard now. Really? So what's the difference? I don't know. I didn't even check it out yet. I didn't take any trade yesterday. I need some time to recover. But I did take a look on Twitter. I saw there's a big bearish move and then big bullish move. People keep posting charts on FinTwit. Yesterday was incredible. Can't believe I didn't trade. Really? What did I miss? Oh my god. Oh, I won't get FOMO, but I won't get FOMO. Let me take a look. So NYAM, we got a bullish move. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like a lot of people got stuck with this bearish move. And then we go up with the launch macro after hitting 1 hour average, and then PM V shape, big V shape. Well, then Ray should be making a lot of money because you love short, right? I bet you probably catch at least 75% of the move. You're calling all the levels. Really? Which stream are you calling from? Like, which stream are you on when you're trading New York session? I watched PFM stream yesterday for like pre-NY. So you're always on PFM. I see. You shot from 400. Man, what? 400? You mean 29 400? Here? Do you mind sharing what are the lowest investment you're doing? You better find yourself a financial partner for that. Because like everyone's financial condition is different and your goal, your target for your investment is different too, right? Your risk tolerance. So it has to be customized. That's why we got so many financial planners and financial advisors in the world. And I don't give financial advice here, all right? So don't ask me about that, okay? It's a trap. I'm just here sharing my stuff for entertainment. That's all. PFM is Proffer Match TV. So the channel. I probably will be there soon again. So we need to arrange the schedule first. Right now I'm looking for setup because like how am I gonna log here, man? This is the best entry for the long position. Price touching the midline opening price with a tick and also bounce from the end dot, and then price after turning this CB into FVG, we chase back to this BC and then go up again. This one will be great. This one is also awesome. And we also get displacement for this 145 candlestick. But the problem is right now we are here. We're not here, or here. We're here. And if I want to long to all-time high, it would be great, around, 60 points. But my stop loss probably have to put in here, right? Which is around 20 points, 25 points. Manipulation candle is on the duration. Yeah, I think so too. So that's why I can like long here in the middle of the range. I always got wiped out with the manipulation candlestick, the wick. Because I, tend to use a tight stop loss. But right now with the current volatility, I may need a slightly larger stop loss. So I'm still trying to like backtest because I want to adjust the strategy a little bit to adapt the current volatility. So But since I need adjustment, I need to backtest again. When price is like moving like this, you've seen people wait for one on 5-minute liquidity in the opposite direction of draw. Oh yeah, I use 15-second chart too. Right now my another screen is actually looking at 15-second and 30 seconds chart on TraderVay. But if you want to like keep an eye on the seconds chart, I will highly suggest you take a look on TraderVay or NinjaTrader or your trading platform, because TradingView is lagging. Like they always lag. So if you want to look at the second chart, you want to have the like fastest response for price, right? You can see it on TradingView because they are charting platform. They are not trading platform. I honestly don't understand why people taking trades on TradingView. Like you can connect your trading account with TradingView, but if you want to enter an order, you should do it on your trading platform. Because if you ever use TradingView for trading, you know what I mean. You know, I got fucked up because of those like errors, TradingView errors, a lot of time. It's okay for limit orders, but better use TraderVay. Yes. Or maybe that's also one of the reasons I rarely use limit order to enter a position. I only use it to like for stop loss, for TP. And also Fundanex got a new plan. And I'm thinking of should I switch to the new plan because they got a flex challenge. I'm currently using Rapid. But if I want to change to the flex, I need to blow up my own account in order to do so. I'm still thinking about it. So I definitely won't use this one. It's just not attractive at all because of the daily loss limit. The price is relatively cheaper, more affordable compared to the Rapid one. For something like 50K, you need to pay $200, which is expensive with 50K. Legacy, 150K, $150. Flex, 70. But the problem is like, they reduced the drawdown limit to 1,500. We used to get 2,000 for 50K, right? 50K 2,000, 50K 2,000. Yes. And for 150K, we used to get 4,500, but now it's 4,000. And your max position reduced to 8 minis. It's not that good. And oh my god, this one is shit. You need to buy an add-on for 90% profit speed. If not, if you don't pay for this add-on, you only got 80% profit speed. Well, I'm thinking about it. I mean, it's slightly better because they don't get consistency rule on Fundanex account, but like, I just feel like it's a trap. What is 1,500 for drawdown for 50K. What do you want me to do with it? And 8 contracts for 150K? Man, you have to at least lower the price if you only give me 8 contracts. But it's like a lot cheaper than Disrupted and Legacy, so I'll think about it. Right now, I don't have a conclusion for that yet. Because like they got limit for your max position, that means they are limiting your ability to make more money. It's okay, but not like the best, I'm gonna say. Yeah, not good at all, exactly. The target is only 2,500. Yeah. You guys usually use 50K account, right? It seems scammy. Sometimes it's kind of shady, I gotta say. But I've been trading with them since 2023, when they only got forex platform. They are the first platform that reached out to me at that time. So I mean, because like they are literally going with me in Twitter, so I would say they are not completely scam. Because if that's the case, they won't be here for now. It's been 3 to 4 years. They're still here. And I'm still here, so we're both not scammers. But yeah, you know, compared with the price, the rules, the payout, profit split, they're not the best, at least for the moment. I mean, if you want to give something like flex, if you call yourself flex, you should at least become more flexible, isn't it? But if you mess out in other platforms, I think we can take a try on that. Right now, I will stick with my Wrapper account. If I blow up this account, I'll probably go to Flex. Better than Top Shit. Exactly. I have no idea why Top Step become something like this today. I mean, they used to be good platform. They used to be really the top #1 platform. Like, I don't know why they just get themselves into a case like that. The manipulation candle. We are once again consolidating. Nothing happening yet right now. Oh my god, feels like it's gonna be a boring session. We may have to play some games again today. $12.05. Where's $12.05? This one. Smart money reversal. For SMT, I only use it with yes and NQ. So I don't know, man. I wasn't even looking at the chart at that time. I will only like if I'm trading by myself alone without live streaming, I'll only turn on the chart like 5 minutes before 2 a.m. Eastern time. But because of like I need to set up the whole like live stream software. Right now, probably 15 minutes to 30 minutes before the stream. So it was like around here. So I have no idea what happened with Asia session. Because I can't monitor the chart all the time. It's just so time consuming. And you will lose your life. Because when you started to focus on the chart, sometimes it's hard to just get yourself out and look at other things or chatting with other people. Maybe Topstep is losing money with my... I don't think so. I don't think they are losing money. I mean, platform industry is an industry that you can make lots of money. And they got consistency rule, they got payout cap. You know, it's hard for them to lose money. You're long from 29,530. Whoa, it's like here, right? It's here. It's literally Asia session. I mean, if you're long here. Well, in hindsight, this one will be my best entry. Also, this one is slightly like far away from the best entry, but it's still tradable because of we got a retracement back to the middle of this placement. So this 3 entry point will be good for my long, but since we're out of London session, so no trade for me yet. Your expectation for this morning is a catch UO early manipulation candle down to the large FVG, then all the way up to a new order high. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I feel like we're gonna make another all-time high again, but just like right now I can't get in the position. But it happens all the time, right? We know where price gonna go, but we just can't get a ideal risk-reward ratio for that. Yesterday at 3:11, there was a trade you would have made 3:11. Let me take a look. Wow, 3:11. This one. Well, to be honest, I probably will take a trade here and then got stopped out from this bearish move. And then I will want to try again. Oh, it depends. Maybe I'm too scared to try again. Then I will miss the whole move. But if I'm like kind of aggressive, I will enter again here. Then I will catch this move. But I probably will get a stop out first because of I will enter here. I just see my model here. I will enter here and get stop out and enter again. And you know, I probably will close the position here or take partial here and then close my whole position here. So it just seems like something I would do. I will not hold the whole move for the whole move. They are not earning as much as they used to. I feel so. I think so. I mean, the way they're adding tax for buying accounts, which is crazy. Because when they banned Hong Kong, I need to change to my British passport to trade with them. So I need to pay for 20% sales tax on top of that, you know. So wow, that was shit. So no more top step, no. Well, I know still many traders trading with them, but I would still say it. Like I'm not gonna be like, because people still getting payout from this firm, like they're still making money, so they are not scammers. So what? So I didn't call them as scammer, but they just shit. They just simply shit. Okay. All right, we've been consolidating for 40 minutes now. Also, we create some LRL here, right? If you take a closer look, it's so obvious here. So we can expect some manipulation anytime soon. Just short to hell when it takes the all-time high. Man, this is quite hard for me to do so, like to take a short with this all-time high situation. You trade with them, but you agree they're becoming shit. Exactly. Top step stream is boring. Maybe my stream is boring too, so I can't say that. Like I don't know, because my stream is not like so funny or fucking entertainment. So I can't judge other people's stream. You love my stream, pure entertainment. I should turn on the camera, right? I should turn on the camera so I get better engagement. So I can make some shots. So first day is the new Friday. Oh, alright. You're right. Stream will be more engaging with the camera. I need to practice to speak in front of the camera. It's so hard. Just put what do you mean? Don't need to practice, just put on some clothes and comb your hair. Who the hell don't put on clothes on camera? Seriously, we're not doing OnlyFans here. Just act like the camera is not here. Alright, I'll practice. I'll practice. The low resistance liquidity one. Yeah, I love watching Dasa's stream. I also watched it yesterday. ICT use cam now. Michael, it's Michael, it's not ICT. Really? Michael's turn on the cam? When? He got a new video. I don't have time to watch it yet. I'll probably watch it after the stream. It's not moving. Oh my god. Oil dropping in the C pump. Not necessary. Yes, we got SMT with ES because like ES made a new all-time high. Didn't have it on NQ. You know, I love the music playlist on PFM TV. That was amazing. You know, is that AI music? I think they mentioned about it. Oh yes, everyone in China. You're right. Trump is in China, so we gonna keep an eye. We may get Trump talking anytime because it's afternoon in China right now. So Trump is awake, so he may get a speech anytime. Oh, we just got a wick here. Touching the 1 minute BC. You know, that is amazing. You know, it's literally to the tick. Like the low of the tick, the wick is exactly the low of this FVG plus volume imbalance. So how precise is ICT concept? That's the difference between just support and resistance. When ICT trades on stream, does he paper trade or is it a natural account? Because of like paper, you actually, for American, as I know, you will violate some regulation if you trade online with like real money. So you're actually protecting yourself for paper trading. But he did like trade on his live account, on also showing his broker statements on the stream so many times. But I guess people's like those haters, they will not watch all those ICT videos. Man, how am I gonna get into any trade with this? You can either give me a retracement back to here, or you just go straight to all-time high and give me a short setup. Don't just consolidate in the middle of the range. Mike, who is Mike? Michael? This is not looking good. Because if you trade live with your, like with live money, live accounts, and the chat follows your trade, and they got a losing trade or they lose money, then they want to sue you. Actually, they can do it, you know. It's not like you'll definitely become guilty after they sue you, but you will have to deal with these legal troubles. I think they're trading with prop firm accounts, right? Not live accounts. Which prop firm accounts is kind of sim funded, you know, not like in the live market. Because you can be accused of manipulating the live market with, you know, live streaming, with like encouraging people to take the same trade with you, which even though you said this is not financial advice, right? Just a lot of things like that. You can take a look on that movie about the GameStop. You know, that GameStop guy got accused of something like that. We don't sue Kenny F. No, there's a lot of people want to sue me, but you know what? I am very cautious about this because ICT taught us about that since day one. So we know exactly what we need to do on live stream, on social media. So I am not violated any regulations in any country. So those haters want to, make some stuff about me, but they can't. Because I know what I'm doing. I've been protecting myself. But of course, they will use it as an excuse to say, "Oh no, she's probably hiding something." She's probably not a real trader, not a profitable trader. But no, they're stupid. Because if I do exactly what they tell me to do, bro, I'm probably in jail right now. That's why I need to protect myself. And for those haters that didn't protect themselves, jail is waiting for you. Just be patient, because we will see you in jail. Yeah, I know you're listening. There are so many US traders streaming. Yes. For entertainment purpose only. Exactly. As always. You want short setup? Well, it would be... I don't know, man. Or now. Or it's not moving. You may want to short with ES. For real. Because ES did just sweep the Asia high and make a new all-time high, right? If you want to take a short, probably more reasonable to take it on ES. Michael got sued by S1. I guess you didn't listen to all his Twitter space, right? He's mentioned it once when it was in what's the called? Baby Kingdom? Not baby what? Baby Pips. Baby Kingdom is another. Baby Pips, is that right? The forum. So I think he posted something on Baby Pips, and then he got I don't know, cops or other agents, and they're trying to wrong him about posting those financial stuff on the forum, online forum. He was working with Baby Pips years ago when you first started looking into forex. 16 years ago. I kind of curious, how old are you? How are you? I mean, so you've been trading 16 years ago. You didn't know he was the same person? Oh my god. Oh, the SEC won't charge him. I see. too many those organization. I can't remember all the name of it. You started on the markets 4 years ago. Wow, that is awesome. I remember last time I was shocked by one of my community member. He said he read the market research books 30 years ago. I was like, what? 30 years ago? You already reading this book? What? Because I just feel like, for example, like me or some other traders on FinTwit or YouTube, we actually didn't trade for so many years. Like for me, I started trading since 2019 and getting serious in 2021, which is less than 10 years. So I just feel like those more experienced traders probably don't want to listen to what we are talking about, because it seems like you're just playing around, like we're just kids in their eyes. NQ hit 15 minutes BC. Let me take a look. 15 minutes. Okay, yep, this one. Yeah, it's pretty good. Well, you want me to long here? Well, it's not like I can, but like, okay, let me measure. Take a measurement here. 1 to 2 will be here. Well, it's not like I can, but just not very attractive. It's not tempting at all. Do you have edge if you can pass 25K account at 50% rate? Well, I would say don't use 25K. Just go with the 50K. 50K is already very affordable. And it got enough room for you to lose some trades and get back. "1996, you were a drunk smoker back then." Well, I once was a drunk smoker too. Not anymore though. What is tape reading? So tape reading is just, well, it's hard to explain. So you're not gonna take any trades if you're tape reading, but you need to keep an eye on every candlestick, and you have to understand what price is doing, like how to read the market. For example, we'll know what this candlestick doing with the BC, what's this wick doing with this wick, this kind of thing. Like you need to know what the price is doing, so read the price, not just seeing if NQ is going up or going down. You need to understand every candlestick, understand the price action. So it's just like trading, but without taking a trade. Yeah. So we got London open already. It's 3:05 right now. Alright, Manga, you are short. You in short. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Manger. Appreciate your kind words. I am trying to bring more value to the community, to the chat, but like I also have to balance like the time, the work. For example, if I want to make some videos, it's gonna be very, very hard for me to do so. So I was like, what else can I do to provide more value without making a video or, you know, or just posting P&L charts, right? But actually, I don't think posting a P&L chart is flexing or what, because you can understand how that person, how are they managing the trade, because I learned a lot from just seeing all those charts. And also like how are people covering from losses, how they deal with these, you know, mental loss. I just feel like, yeah, but I feel like I need to make more other contents besides just charts or, you know, just P&L. Fi 559? Where is that? Here? Here? Yes, we got a volume imbalance here. We did, yeah. We need more mindset for me. Need mindset value, not necessarily strategy. Yes, exactly. Because it's always like it's 10% trading strategy, 90% mindset, 90% psychology. Holiday today. Oh, it's holiday in. It's you from Germany, right? I try to remember everyone right now. Hand over Nick. So, what's your holiday plan today? Thank you for coming to my stream, even when you're on holiday. Okay, we got some job from here. You got your first TBT eval pass, fans, because of my live. Really? Oh my god, that's awesome. Congratulations. It's holiday in Switzerland too. Everyone is in Norway. Wow. So is it the whole Europe is on holiday right now? Will you ever visit Switzerland? Wow, I have no plans for that yet, but I will take a look. I gotta check if my passport can go to Switzerland first. I need to check this first. I think it's okay, right? Because I'm holding a British overseas passport, so it should be okay for going to European countries. Show me your dog. Oh yes, I can apply for this electronic visa for that. So I think something like that. Who's in short right now? Who's in short? Anyone shorting? You know, I once worked in a Italian company before, MNC. Whoa, that was the Italians is handsome, but you know their working their working attitude is kind of different than usual. Austria. Also, I want to go to Georgia. Italians are cheaters with movement. What is that? Well, I need to be like more sensitive about these kind of statements, so I didn't say anything out loud. But I guess you understand what I want to talk about. Okay, BNO passport can get visa fee entry up to 90 days. Awesome. So Phil, I guess you get the same passport as me, right? Alright, so let me take a look on. Yes is dropping from here. I want to see how price react with this species first. Oh my god, you have German and Italian passport. You're a passport collector, huh? Awesome. I try to get myself more passport too. You know, that's I want to spend my payouts on these things, not just a Rolex or a Lambo. I want to spend it on citizenship or some PR. You want to learn out of this species. I want to do this too, but like, you know, if price didn't touch this species, it's actually good side for bullish, but I will be kind of suspicious because it also means price can rechase after I enter with a long. So yeah, I would just wait a little bit. I would rather miss the chase than just doing some crazy stuff. How do you like Dubai? Is it fun and great to live? I would say it's great to live, but is it fun? It's not that fun actually. It's fun, but it's not that fun. I mean, because Hong Kong used to be funny, and many of the stuff like for some of the yacht parties, like the beach club, I got all of those things back in Hong Kong, so it's not that fun. I mean, I experienced all this stuff before coming to Dubai, so. Everybody gets a German passport. Why? Oh, it's not touching it. Come on. You want to move to Portugal? I wanted to, but like they changed the policy lately. Just I think a few years ago. So if you want to get your PR or citizenship, it will be you need to wait for 10 years. It was 5 years before that. And that 10 years is excluding the time you wait for residency ID. So after you apply for your residency, you have to wait for at least 1 to 2 years to get approval. So it's at least 12 years for that now. You want me to check the 4 hour? Alright. Per quarter. Let me think about it. Alright, I'll try. I should take one contract. I will try to take one contract, okay? One contract. So, oops. It's not like just one contract. Won't hurt, right? I didn't get to my I want to wait for this BC, but you know, if I'm just aiming for this high, I feel like the risk-reward ratio is not that bad, so I can try it. It's a 15-point stop loss with one contract only. So yeah, I'm not risking anything. Oh my god, I forgot to turn on my trade copier. Shit. Let me take a look. Why did I didn't turn on? I thought I turned it on. What is that shit? Okay, so right now I need to manually enter all those contracts on my other accounts, which is stupid. I have to manually adjust everything on my other accounts. This is crazy. Is it easy to settle in Hong Kong as a Swiss citizen? Well, I would not suggest you to do that. Why are you going to settle in Hong Kong? That is a very bad decision. Have you been drinking? No, of course not. So it's been 5 months as sober trader. I only use 15 points because its price is not that volatile for today's London session, so it's not necessary to use 20 points or 25 points. 15 points is already enough for that. If price get to my stop loss, that means I am wrong for this trade idea. So just that price stop me out. Test is very good in Hong Kong. Yes, it's great. It's actually pretty much the same as Dubai. Alright, it's coming to my stop. 15 points. 15 points. $300. You seem to have a very healthy attitude toward losses. Because I know my strategy, I got average 40 to 45% win rate. That means I got to get stop out all the time. You can just calculate, right? Like for example, 10 trades, I will get at least 6 trade is a losing trade. So of course I will get stop out for a lot of time because I backtest my strategy and know my average win rate. And I'm risking my something that is within my risk tolerance that I can afford to lose. So no big deal. But for like people using 80% win rate or 90% win rate strategy, they will see losing trade as a big deal. Especially for trading influencer because they have to post something on social media, on stream. So winning trade will definitely help them to promote. Because like, okay, I win again, another win, right? But losing, they may think it will hurt their reputation. But actually, if your audience are real traders, they will understand what you're doing. But of course, if your viewers are those dumbass haters, they will not understand anything. They will think only winning trades means something. No. You guys are using EMA VWAP. Hand open, Nick, you're right. Nick, you're in wrong stream. That's funny. Oh, Shafi? Is that how to pronounce your name? Oh, you're here. I don't even know. Close. You really need to send me a voice message about your name. So next time I can pronounce it right. Many people simply cannot handle 50 or 60% losses. Yeah, so it depends on your personality, I gotta say. Because it's maybe hard for someone new to trading. It may hurt their confidence and ego, right? Just prove you don't need 60 to 70%. Yeah, of course. I saw my trade data so many times on stream or on social media, but like those haters, they will not look into these things. They will only see, oh, you're losing, but they don't take a look on my winning. That is funny. Kitty raise today. If we get to 120 lines, yeah, we can get another kitty raise or duck raise. But I think it's hard because today is holiday, so I feel like there's not a lot of people watching the stream. Like everyone's stream, not only my stream. I can see other live streamers got less views today too. We're moving too slow, to be honest. I don't think it's looking good right now because if price we want to go up, it should be going up right now, not just consolidating in this area. Is Ray on short right now or long? Because I feel like Ray's perspective may affect market makers. If it stays this boring, we just need another game. Yeah, I feel like that. You're in long scalping? No, I don't stream NY session. I don't trade New session very often right now because I want to spend more time on other stuff rather than just keep on trading every day and night. Because I used to be like that for many years. How many contracts do you usually use? I would say it depends on the current volatility, the market session, and your account balance. Right. So for 50K, I normally risk within $500 for each trade. For 150K, it can be 800 to 1,000. But of course, because I'm going aggressive on perform, so that's why I use that much for my risk. You can use less, probably $100 for each trade or $200. Do you guys have any other recommendation on games that we can play together on stream? Like some web page games, so we don't have to install some softwares. Oh, bullish candles. Come on, NQ. Behave. Alright, reacting with this CB here. I will show my stop loss when price sweep this equal high and also reach this internal liquidity. Right now, just wait a little bit. Want to give it a little bit more room for it to breathe. Not yet. It's not touching the equal high yet. It's a 15 seconds chart equal high, also a 30 seconds chart in equal high. Push. You know, after watching Dasha's stream, I told my personal trainer that I want to train for push up because I can't do any push up, not even one. So I'm training. I hope I can at least do 5 one day. Going back to the CB right now. But remember to take parcel, chat. So if you take parcel right now, even with one contract, you're already making $300, which is not bad to many traders. But since right now I'm trading with one contract, so I can have an excuse for myself that for not taking parcel, you know, because I used to trade 2 contracts, right? So, but I refuse to take parcel. Then you know people would blame me for not taking parcel. No, right now I don't need to take parcel anymore with one contract. I can just hold the trade. Seems like rewap doesn't work. Who knows? Price probably will chase here. You know, it's not the end of the chain, right? We still have halfway to go. So, not yet. Okay, just touch the equal high level. Also the low of the CB. Alright, I will trail my stop loss now. But by trailing the stop loss, it also means I'm reducing my winning chance. So right now it's 9 point stop loss. 9 points only. So if price rechase and hit my stop, I will lose $180, less than 200. Reason why I don't push it to the break even is because we still get quite a large BC and also a order block here. So I just want to give it a little bit more room for that. Take parcel, chat. Take parcel. What time you need to adjust your stop loss? You have to have your own rules for yourself. And after setting those rules, you have to backtest it, demo trade it, tape read it, and then in order to make it like your real rules. For example, for me, when price with some liquidity or which to some internal liquidity, I will tend to trail my stop loss. And how far do you want to trail your stop loss, and is it gonna be above your entry point? All of this you gotta backtest it first. For example, if right now price retrace and back to my stop me out, I'm okay with that. But not everyone okay with that. So that means if you're not someone that okay with price retrace back to your stop loss, then you shouldn't use this as your rules. You should just share it with your break even. So you have to understand yourself too, not just the trading strategy. You have to understand your personality and how are you gonna react with losses and like break even. Come on, it's just 30 points. Thank you. You want to spend, I don't want to spend 1 hour with 30 points, for real. Or should I put it here? Maybe this one is not bad. No, just 30, just here. I mean, after all, it's just one contract. I'm not making much even for one contract. I mean, oh my god, even if this is a winning chase, it's 3 digits. It's not 4 digits win. I hate to see 3 digits on my dashboard. It's okay, it's okay. You hesitate, so you're not in this long. It's okay, you know. I missed chase lots of time. And it probably turns out to be a losing chase, so you didn't miss anything. You probably just preserve your capital. So add more right now. It's too late to add more. You can. It's never too late to add more. I mean, I'm just 10 points to my TP and I want to add. If I add it here, then my entry point will probably rise to be here. Right? Come on, come on. Can you tell through why you chose your price target instead of the equal high? Well, first, always aim for at least 20 to 30 points and at least 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So since I'm the first stop loss, I was using 15 points, so my TP have to be at least 30 points to make a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. If not, then I shouldn't enter that trade. One point. Come on. And Q. Go up, go up. Hey, come on. Give me that W. Just 1 point. Seriously, no, don't stop here, right? Hey, come on, don't retrace here. No, not touching this projection level and retrace, alright? Don't do that, thank you. Just a little bit. Just what the fuck? Just free tick. Just free tick. 3 more tick and we'll get our TP. Come on. Let's go. I will check my stop loss a little bit again under this wick. So right now is 7 points stop loss. Everybody W. I'm trying to remember to take parcel. Alright, take parcel. It's not like, I mean, I tried that before, like price just 1 pawn to my TP and then we chase back to my break even. I did try it before, many times, because I'm so demanding for that key level. So I can't cut the chain. Man, seriously? Seriously? Oh man, I don't want to push my stop loss to break even right now. No, thank you. Come on. Come on. What was the reason for going long? Well, first, we're in all-time high situation. Second, I was actually waiting for price to retrace because we were in the middle of the Asia range. So I can't enter in the middle of the range. I need to wait for some retracement. At first, I was waiting price to touch this BC, but it didn't, so it turns to become a breakaway gap. Price retrace with this bullish volume imbalance, and then go up. Add the money back. Oh yeah. How can I forget money back? For real, I forgot about that, man. Oh man, it's retracing. Price is retracing. Oh my god. Come on here. Come on. Don't give me a manipulation nick here, alright? Seems like you want to rebalance the FVG first. Yes, this one, right? But that is because I'm too demanding. If I'm trading MNQ, I will at least put it 1 pawn lower my original TP. Because like MNQ, you know, the chart is kind of different compared to NQ. So I can't expect the same level is gonna happen in MNQ. Alright, 4 more points, 4 points, just 4 points. Did anyone get your W? If you take parcel and try your stop loss to break even, it should be a W for sure. Okay, great. The chat, at least the chat is winning, right? Then I don't have any concerns anymore. Close at 628.5. So you close it right now. Oh, I will hold it. I will be diamond hand, you know. I'm diamond hand. I'm gonna hold it. Seriously? Seriously? Do we have SMT or something like that? A small SMT with yes. Yes. Oh my god. See, that is what gonna happen to you when you get diamond hand. When you don't close your TP, when you don't take partial, price we chase like this. Just 3 points. This is insane. Not even 3 points, just 2 tick. I was 2 tick away from the TP. This is crazy. That's okay because I got calculated risk, right? So let me calculate it. So it's 6.5 points for my stop loss right now. So if price hit my stop loss, it will be $130 losses, which is okay for me. So once again, right now, if you're someone that, price is so close to your TP and then come back to hit your stop loss, you will lose your mind, then you definitely don't do this. You need to trail your stop loss to break even because it will hurt your mental capital, right? It will probably affect your whole trading day. Then you shouldn't do that. So you have to know yourself before doing any actions, any chain management. It's always like that. Chat is winning, but I am losing. Every time it's like, I can't remember how many times like that. So if this BC and the order block can't hold the price, then I will be stopping out. I will get stopped out. NQ is not behave well. Well, I can close the trade right now. I'm still in profit, but then it's kind of pointless, right? I want to stick with my original trading plan, and no matter what consequences is it, you just gotta accept it because it's your choice, right? It's my choice, it's my decision. We always take responsibility for our own actions, so no worries. And since I'm risking one contract, it's hard for you to see another revenge trade today. Because $100 losing is not enough for me to revenge trading. I probably need to lose 2,000 to get revenge trading. Literally 2 ticks. So, that's why we need to take partial. We can't be too demanding on those key levels. But I've been like that since 2023. Because I remember some of my trading buddies told me that I'm too demanding on TP. And I can't change it. It's become part of me, part of my habit. So I got hurt by these demanding key levels so many times. So I would say this is one of my weakness that I can overcome this problem. But with calculated risk, even if this happen, I'm not losing much. If you're still in this trade, protect your capital, preserve your capital. Okay, I would highly recommend you to take your stop loss to break even. Even though I didn't do that, but I would suggest you do. Now you can add. No, no, no. I'm not adding. I'm not adding anymore. I want to stick with the original trading plan. God give chance for you to add more? No, I don't think so. I think God give chance to me to escape from this losing trade. I think I demonstrate how to turn a W into a L, right? I mean, that's a good example of how to turn your winning trade to a losing trade. Man, I gotta stop out. Just one tick. I think I will stop out, you know. I mean, there's no reason for price not to hit my stop. Just one tick. That is just so much fun. Crazy. Man, 2 tick from TP and then got stop out. Crazy. Then reroll. Reroll did works. Chat, you know, you have to take parcel. You really have to take parcel. Don't hold a trade like me. Don't do that. Don't become diamond hand. You forgot the peach emoji. I mean, it's gonna be kicking my ass anyways. I don't have gym bro today. It's just 30 points. If market can't even hold for 30 points, that gym bro is like not necessary to be here. Yeah, of course, chill. I mean, it's 6.5 points, man. With one contract, like, of course, chill. But I think it's quite funny, like how to turn your two ticks away from TP and turn it into L. It's quite funny. So what did we learn today? Take parcel. Again, take parcel. Alright, stop out. Goodbye. Goodbye, my 6.5 point stop loss. This is just so funny. I don't know, can I show it here? Oh. Yes. This is the losses. You need to tell me when you are in short. I will definitely cut my stop. Maybe 4 a.m. It's 2 minutes away from 4 a.m. We'll see. If we get any other chances again. But babe, I feel like we are going back to midnight opening price right now. Anyone in short right now? If anyone still wants long, we just take the BC. But we're too bearish for this move because it's kind of different compared to this bearish move. Like it's a little bit choppy, you can see, but this one it just dropped so fast compared to here. So if I want to take another long, I need some consolidation. It's not like not now. ICT is back with, it's not ICT anymore, it's Michael. So you need to call him by his name. This is a 1 hour manipulation. Oh, let me take 1 hour candlestick. I see. $15 CB here. Order block. BC here. I'll skip this. I think I'll skip this. No. Not enough consolidation for me. But chat, you did get that W, right? Because if you didn't take your parcel, you should at least try to stop loss to break even for that bullish move. The latest video is quite good. Okay, I will take a look. Because I saw it's one and a half hours, so I was like, I'll do it when I'm walking on my walking path. Will you now look to trade again, or are you done for a day? I will trade again if I see anything. I mean, it's just 130 bucks losses for me. So it's almost nothing. 564. I already touched it. I'm not so sure if this BC can hold price because the drop is massive compared to, you know, the whole London session. How do you set? This is not automatically marking. I draw it manually with a rectangle, okay? Can you see it here? You use the rectangle, then you can draw everything you want. You're shorting from where? Probably going to the mid opening price right now. Well, if we really want to look for another launch, we may need to be very patient. Because it doesn't seem like it will happen anytime soon. It probably happen 30 minutes later, even if there's something like that. Should have told earlier so we could all short together. No, you don't copy other people's trade. You should just take your own decision. You should take your own trade. We're finally getting some shots. I think yesterday you guys got some shot too during AM session, isn't it? You see, this BC didn't hold price. Dropping. Really hard dropping. You in longs? Really? How come? Feels like it's a trap. This one, man. It's tempting, but like it didn't sweep this week or this midlight opening price, and we got so many obstacles on the upside. I'll skip it. Just not good enough for me. So like can be a reading shape, but just I would need a 30-point stop loss if I want to enter here. So no. Yes, higher time frames would be bearish. I mean, if like right now we didn't sweep any low, right? We just dip into this BC. If we got some consolidation before this IFVG setup occur, then I'm a long here, but right now it's just too V-shaped for me. I'm a bit sleepy right now. What do you look like anyways? You can you see the right hand corner, the bottom? There's my Twitter account and Instagram. So you can subscribe to my social media. You will see how I look. Oh, you guys favor the 1,000 likes. I see. We don't have PFM today. Is that because they're traveling, I guess? Man, yes is so bullish. It's already half of the range. No, I don't think it's good idea to enter here. No, I'll skip it. I'll just wait for PMY. Like if I want to long. This one's just not good enough. It's not like it can be a winning trade, just not good enough. Oh, they got a meetup in Florida. I see. Anyone's in any trade right now? Long, no matter it's long or short? Oh, you long off the breakable. Awesome. What makes this setup not good enough for you to long? I need a larger stop loss for this one. And yeah, which is too large for me to trade for London session even for one contract. Like 30 points is just too much for me. For London session, I mean. If this New York session is still like, I mean, it's acceptable, but if I'm using 30 points stop loss for London session, that means I will need to use more for New York session. Then I will probably need to turn to trading micros. Like if I have to use 30 points for this trade, then I need to trade micro. Even for one contract, 30 points for London session, just because I have to consider my FH win rate for my strategy. I FH 40 to 45% win rate, right? So that means it's highly likely a losing trade again. So can I lose with 30%, 30 point stop loss? How many times can I lose with 30 point stop loss with my like 50k account or 150k account? So I need to also consider all these things. I got new weights for head squat yesterday. Yes, I'm sick, but I'm still going to gym. I didn't shave, but I went to the gym. This is crazy. Alright, yes, just created new all-time high here. Yes, it's acting quite good today, to be honest. Like, first it sweep the Asia high, the old all-time high, and then we can get a short from here, and then long from this BC straight to the new all-time high. Well, actually, my model worked very well on yes today, but sadly, I only trade NQ. Feels like sit and destroy. Well, I mean, if you take partial, if you long with this position, you should take partial on the way up with all this internal liquidity. Very hard to trade multiple porters. Yeah, if it's just focusing on indices, it's still okay. But I don't do that though. But if you like trading gold, trading oil, and forex and indices at the same time, it's not like you can do it, because I know many traders still doing the same thing, but just you have to focus. You have to take a look. You have to do a lot of analysis, because you have to do it on every asset that you're gonna trade. I want to see at least price sweeping at least this high first. You're in long all dips, why? Because of all-time high? You only trade multiple portals successfully if you're using them as a hedge against each other? Really? So like trading gold and indices, or oil and indices? You've been doing it for 3 weeks, then how are you gonna use your stop loss? Like, for example, yesterday, New York AM session, there was a huge drop, right? Bearish move. You frame your entries using the Fib. Yeah, I used to use the Fibonacci tool for my entry too, but like, I don't want to keep measuring it. Like no matter it's Fib or standard deviation. But it's very useful. If anyone just like learning Fib, you should use it all the time. So before you understand how the market runs. There are a lot of Asians in Dubai, a lot of South Asians, and yes. Probably stayed for 2 years, I guess. That was the original plan for staying for 2 years. So if it's good enough for me to stay longer, then I will stay longer. And I need to see, like, can I find another country that is good enough for me to move again? Since I have to trade London session, right? Because I love London session, so it will be probably Europe, I guess. Because if it's just around Middle East, Dubai is the best location to live in Middle East. So I probably won't move to other Middle East countries or cities. But the tax is one thing to write the tax. So I need to make more money here in Dubai first before I move to some high tax rates countries. How's the food over there? Well, I mean, it's so easy to find some healthy food here, for real. Like most of those healthy restaurants, they list all the calories. Probably not accurate, but like still, you can know how much calories you consume. Like, is it 100, 300, or 1,000? Right? Because I can't get this kind of information in Hong Kong. But I know, in the States, most of the restaurant got it list out. Taiwan? No, why would I move to Taiwan? I mean, it's good, very good for traveling. Back in the days when I was young, like I traveled to Taiwan 4 times per year. Because the club there was great. I don't know it now because it's been a long time since the last time I went to Taiwan. But the club in Taiwan is amazing, compared to Hong Kong. Move to Puerto Rico because you're American, right? That's why you can do that. But how was that? Like I heard some of the trading influencers moved to Puerto Rico too. You don't miss being with your people. You go up in USA, but you visit Korea. You're really shocked, really? Well, I miss my friends, definitely friends and families, but I don't miss my people. I'm so sorry. But if you're from Hong Kong, if any audience here from Hong Kong, you will understand what I'm talking about. How toxic are we, right? I miss my friends for sure, friends and families, but no, not the people. So you're Korean. American Korean. Korean American? Oh, Friday's not doing anything right now. Some people enter this long, right? Are you guys still in this trade? Because like it's just consolidating here. It's nothing here. Boring. So boring. I don't think we will get any trade up anymore. I mean, right now. So maybe just call it a day. Call it a day. Yes. I mean, that's nothing here. I can't see anything here. So we will come back tomorrow. Do we get any special event for tomorrow? Let me take a look. Okay, tomorrow we don't have any high impact news. And we probably got new all-time high again in New York session. Yeah, at least you guys get the W, right? I turn my W into a L, which is good for you to learn from. That's a good lesson, but not good for my account balance. Even though it's only $130 still. So I will see how can I make it back, right? 130 bucks. Yeah, we will definitely make it back, but like I will be patient because I don't see anything here. So probably close to market open if I want to take any chase. And chat, I will see you all tomorrow, 3 a.m. Eastern time. Who's gonna be here with me again? Who will come again? Any of you come again tomorrow? All right, so great. That's awesome. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's session. Thank you for tuning in. And also, good luck with trading. Hope you can make more profit for your new session. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.